Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's kind of have a look to see what it's all about. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a little bay roof to do here. We're just getting this building paper on now. Then we can set out some wood rolls and get some bays in there. We're also going to do lead fascia and soffit as well, which is all vented. So let's get these bays sorted out. Okay, as you can see, all the wood's on there now. What I've done is I've just put one wood roll bang in the middle. It's trying to get things to line up, so I've done it in the middle of the roof, and it sort of like marries up with the glazing bar there as well. Now initially the client did want the next wood roll also to be in line with the next glazing bar, but the thing is the roof's been built 30mm out from the glazing, so we've had to adjust that. So what I've done is I've just measured the back and I've just done literally 4 equal bays. I think that's what's going to look the best. So yeah, just getting some bays on there now. We've just knocked up the first one, that's ready for welding. I'll get that one in and we'll just work our way along through there and catch you in a bit. Okay, so as you can see now, all these bays are in. I've just finished dressing over these overplates and trimming these splash laps. So now what we're going to do is concentrate on the soffit detail, what we've got going on under here. So we've got to get lead basically just coming down onto this frame here, coming through there and coming up there, and then we're going to do a separate cladding piece with a 25mm drip there all the way around there. So what I've decided the easiest way of doing that, because I've got a few angles and stuff going on here, I've just literally templated that first section there with a piece of building paper, which we've got here. I've just transferred that onto my piece of lead. That's ready now for welding up. We're going to work our way along through there and then we can get this cladding on. Okay, so I've just finished installing all this soffit. These are always a little bit tricky working upside down, but what we've got fixings here on the front edge. I've put some lead dots on there as well, and then it's got some clips on the edge of the frame to hold all that up. So now we're just going to start looking at this cladding. So what we've done, we've put some copper strips on here, which is going to give me my height of how much to hang this down. And the building paper is all on there ready to go. So what we're going to do basically, we're going to have 2 panels in the middle. Going to keep the lap in line with that roll there. So we've got 2 panels on the middle, and we'll wrap this one round with 150mm lap. Another panel there, same on the other side. And then we just need to nail some clips on that edge, and then we can start getting these bays down. So let's get this sorted out. Okay, so I'm just doing the finishing touches now. It just needs a little bit of dressing in places, but that's pretty much it now. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at SLB Leadworks. And thanks for watching. Hopefully see you again. Cheers.